Now I want to simplify much more. Then I can use natural join like this SQL. Natural join looks for columns with same names in both the tables and does an EQUIJOIN on all those columns. In this case, it would be an EQUIJOIN between T1 col1 and T2 col1. Let us check it out. This is the join using statement. We know that col1 is the column with the same name in both the tables. And this time I am going to avoid this class, which is using class, by using natural join class. So the minute I use natural join class, it will look for column names with same name and it will do a join. It can be one column or two column or more than two columns. As long as the name is same, it will do a join on all those columns. Like the join using class, I cannot qualify the join columns with table names. It fails. If I do not qualify, then it will work. Thank you for watching.